Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this smooth freeze frame transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video, and then I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and I'm going to freeze frame the first part of the video, and I'm just going to place it on top of the other video. I'm going to make it 1 second. Go to animation and select any animation that you want, and then go to video, remove background, and select auto removal as well. I'm just going to adjust the animation speed as well. Then go to video transition, and type in shutter and add in shutter 2 to your video. And that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.